Tabular reports can be uninspiring to look at and may not effectively convey the data they hold. To overcome this, try adding a chart to your reports. You may find that a simple chart can transform the mundane into the magnificent. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add charts and graphs to your reports in Sage CRM. So let's jump right in and get started. We'll begin by looking at a sales report, so we'll go to Reports, Sales, and let's choose the Opportunities Closing Report. Based on the search criteria here, this report is going to show us opportunities that are in progress and are expected to close during the current quarter. Now we'll hit Go to run the report. As you can see, it's a tabular report showing sales opportunities grouped by stage: lead, negotiating, qualified, and proposal submitted. And it includes the forecast amount in dollars and salesperson's home currency. Let's now take this report and spice it up with a chart. To do this, we'll hit Cancel to return to the report selection screen. Here we'll click on the editing pencil for the Opportunities Closing Report. Importantly, you'll need administrator or info admin data rights to edit reports. We're not making any changes to the report contents, so we can skip this screen by hitting Continue, and we'll skip this screen as well. Here on the Report Options page is where you add charts, and you may need to scroll down to see the Chart Options panel. We'll start by checking Show Chart. Next, we'll select our chart style, and you have several to choose from. Let's begin with a bar chart, and the value will be our y-axis. Let's graph the forecast amount on the y-axis. If we leave the label field empty, then the label will default to the translated field name, which in this case would be forecast. Rather than go with the default, let's enter forecast amount. Moving to function, we want our chart to sum the opportunities at each stage, so we'll select Sum. Category will be our x-axis, and here we want to graph the opportunity stages. For the label, let's enter Opportunity Stage. And here the only choice is Value. You have the option to not show a legend, as well as where you would like it to appear. Let's select Bottom, which will place the legend below the chart. And finally, we'll go back to the top and hit Save. Now let's run the report to see our chart. And there it is, and the chart makes it much easier to see the relative sales potential between the opportunity stages. So now let's return to the report editor and look at the other available chart styles. We'll close the report, hit Cancel, click on the Edit pencil, and continue, and again we'll scroll down to the chart panel. In order not to bore you by repetitively running the report, we've already generated one for each chart style. Here's the line chart, the horizontal bar, the pie chart, area chart, point chart, and lastly, the fast line chart. So to recap, tabular reports are often uninspiring to look at, and in some cases, may not effectively convey the data they hold. So go ahead and add a chart to your report and transform the mundane into the magnificent. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage CRM system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.